can sit in that nice chair. Sit in a nice chair.
I like this chair better.
Oh, you like this chair. You want to be by the Christmas tree.
This is better. It's stronger.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, anybody got a question for Santa? What?
What do you do at the workshop?
What do I do at the workshop? I walk around a lot and ask questions, but actually, we have an Elf Bernard. He doesn't look like the guy in the movie. But we have an Elf Bernard who manages that for me. He does really good. So I just kind of watch. I have a story about that later, I'll tell you. Yes? The reindeer are not on the roof because the regular reindeer are still at the North Pole. I have an auxiliary team of reindeer, and they are in Canada, and the Royal Canadian Mounted Police are getting used to this because they like to play with the reindeer and that, okay? So they watch them for me, and they give me a car, and I got a car parked out here. So when I'm done here, I have to go back to Canada, and then we got a little more snow there, so it's easier for this team of reindeer to fly. Hi. Any other questions?
No.
Nope. Okay. No questions about elves, huh? What's your question?
I forget.
What's your question?
So, I know how small are the elves?
Wow. Stand up.
Well,
Okay. The average elf is right about this tall.
all right.
You're almost there.
Apply for the
Yep.
job, Lily.
Couple inches and you can be an elf there. See?
There you go.
That's the average. But we have some elves that are as tall as this. Not many. Not many. Most of them are like this. But a few we have like that. And what we do with those elves, because there are so many children in the world, there are like billions and billions of children. Well, we can't make all the toys at the North Pole. It's impossible. So, some toys are made in toy factories around the world. And those elves we put in suits, a white shirt, and a tie, and they fly commercial airlines, and they visit these toy factories, and they are our quality engineer, so that they're making them to our specifications. So if you're ever on an airplane and you're sitting next to a real distinguished looking gentleman, nice suit and a white shirt and a tie, and he's got pointed ears, he's a quality engineer. Okay? Yeah. All right. Well, let's see. Any other questions? Huh? Okay. Now, do you know what we use for money at the North Pole? What do you think we use for money?
To get stuff to make toys.
Huh? I'll help you out. We use chocolate chip cookies for money.
Oh, baby.
Yes.
Did you hear that?
And it's great because we like to party all the time. And whenever we party, it's chocolate chip cookies and milk.
All right.
So Mrs. Claus has got 37 ovens. 37 ovens. Straight line. And she has a crew of 60 elves who help her make cookies. Yeah. You know how many elves we have at the North Pole right now?
Over 1,000.
No, close though. This year we have 812.
Ooh.
812. Yes. It varies every year a little bit. Every year. You never know. Some show up from wherever and others don't. Whatever. And that's fine because they're great help. All right. Any other questions? That's a nice chair, isn't it? It is a nice chair. Here, come over here. You're going to try this chair.
Aww.
Oh, look at this.
Oh.
He could be my little elf.
He's pointing at the chair.
He did really good. How old is he? 1?
1.5.
1.5. That's very unusual. Oh my God, he's so cute. Yes. All right, now let me see. Oh, I brought some things I wanted to show you. Remember you said what do you do at the North Pole?
Oh, me.
Yeah, right. Okay, well I'm going to show you. One day I was walking through the toy factory, okay? And Elf Bernard was working at demonstrating, okay? Anyway, I'm walking along and I saw a whole stack of books. And I said, what are the books? He says, those are color books. I said, I like the colors. He says, you want one? I said, yeah. He says, you can't have those. We'll make one for you. I said, well, how long? He said, how about a week? I said, a week? He said, well, yeah, it takes time. And these are all on order. So, okay. So a week went by, and he made it. Oh, I know. I walked in, and he says, did you check your desk? I said, no, I haven't been there. He says, your book's there. I says, what book? He says, your book. My color book. He says, yeah. So I went running in there, and I picked it up, and I looked at it, and I said, wow, Bernard, that's great. I love to do finger painting. He says, you can't do finger painting. That's for crayons. I says, well, I don't want crayons. I want watercolors. What I want, watercolors. Okay. He says, oh, give me the book. He says, it'll take a week. I said, a week? Yes, we'll make a lot of toys here. I said, okay. So a week went by, and I'm walking through the shop, and I'm checking out the wooden trains and some of the other toys, and he says, did you check the book out? I said, is it in the office? He said, yeah. I ran in there and I picked it up. And I said, okay, this is great. So I looked at it, and there were all the watercolors. And I said, Bernard, I want to do the colors.
Oh.
He said, oh, I thought you wanted a book of water. I said, no, I want to do it. So I said, well, when can I get it? He said, about a week. Okay. All right. So a week went by, okay? And I'm coming up. I said, Bernard, how about the book? Did you go to your office? No. You did? Yeah. Okay, great. And this was just yesterday. So I picked it up and I opened it up, and there was nothing. I said, Bernard, I gotta have something to color. He says, well, you said you wanted to. I said, yeah, but I gotta have something to, picture. He says, well, that's going to take a while. I said, well, when can I get it? He says, well, we're not even going to work on it now until after Christmas. Oh, so I gotta wait for mine till after Christmas. Okay. Anyway, I thought you'd like to see that.
That was cool. That was a good magic
Now
trick.
we got.
Is that magic?
It was real.
Yeah.
I know.
Anybody want to see what else is in the bag?
Ooh, me!
All right. Now,
Looks like name tags.
could we get a bigger chair?
Santa
Who's that
Claus.
chair?
Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Here you go. Santa.
What is that, Dave?
Santa.
Hold on. You can do that.